Hello everyone, this is part 2 of how to make a drain-free USB cable for your drone controller. In the previous video I posted, you can see how to make such a modified USB cable. So what's the problem? Why not using a normal cable? When you are using a normal USB cable, your controller will always charge your phone or tablet, even if they are fully charged. So for example, in my case, it took about 3 fully charged NFV batteries to come down to a 30% level of the controller battery. And I don't like to fly below 30%, especially not for the controller. First I looked for a convenient software solution, but I couldn't find any. So I decided to go for a hardware solution, and that works fine. However, there are 2 types of USB cables on the marketplace, shielded and non-shielded ones. But note that in the previous video I showed how to modify a non-shielded USB cable. But if you are dealing with the shielded version, you have to cut the red wire instead of the black one and follow the same procedure. Thanks for watching.